Hi everybody, welcome to the stream. Let me just... Hi everybody, welcome to the stream. I'm having another look at Linux and other stuff's distribution. So I'm going to be doing some customizing too. So let's get started. So let's first gonna fix these conkeys. So you can see there's no conkeys right now, but I just got dual screen monitors, so I'm gonna fix these. And let me fix this panel right now. I'm just gonna put it like that, so okay, so first I'm gonna go to the conky directory and stuff. And I gotta fix the conky. So if you're running dual screen monitors, you're gonna want to do this. If you're not, you'll be fine. So I'm just gonna go to user, share, and then where is it? User share conky, and then I want to open it up as root, so then put in your password. And then I'm just gonna open this one in LeafPad. I installed LeafPad because I like LeafPad better, so then I'm just gonna go to this gap right here. I'm gonna hit minus, and let's see if that did anything. Let's try 100. Forget which one, let me see. Let's try 200. Is it plus? Let me see if it's... Let's try 600 and see what happens. Let me see if it's... Let me try on minus again. Just fixing the conkeys and... Okay, let's try that. Let's try this other way. Right here. No, I don't see that. Can't. Let me see. Let's try. I'm gonna try I'm gonna try this other one first because I can see it better, so let's see where we want to go to minus. Oh, there's that one. Here we go. We're getting it on the screen now. You can see that we're moving it now on the screen, so I just want to go to 8. Just gonna move it. Let me get this out of the way. I can see it now. We're just moving it. You can see that the conky's right there and we're moving it, so we just want to go. Let's try that. Oh, that was too much. Let's try 19 where it was supposed to be. Okay, there we go. We got it right there. So let me that one's fixed. As you can see, that one's fixed. So we're just gonna see if it's over a little bit more. If I can get it a little bit more. No, I don't want to try 20. Wanted it the other way. Okay, 19, I guess. 19. See what 10 does. I don't like that. Let's see what 5 does. I just wanted a little bit. Okay, there we go. Now it's just a little bit to the edge. So that's what I wanted. So now we're just gonna close this one. And then we want to get the other one to the other side as it was before, so we're gonna go up to I'm gonna open up this one again and see which way we go with this. Now we just want to go. Let's try that. Okay, there we go. We got it right there. Now we just want to go. I try 3. Let's try 4. No. 30. Try 2. No, that's not what we wanted. Let's see what that. I guess. Let's see. 2. Okay. Let me see. That's not the right way, so let's see. Let's see what this does. That's not where I wanted, so let's go 21 again. $25. $35. Let's see. 45. Oh, we don't want 41. Oh. 0. 36. 38. 39. No, we want 38. I'll try 38. 10. 38. 20. 38. And we got it, but I want 50. Let's try 50. Okay, and we got it. So we got the conkeys right. Hi Darth, how you doing? I'm just taking a look at Linux and other stuff's distro and customizing it. So you can see I customized the conkeys So I was running dual screen monitor and had to fix the conkeys. You can see I fixed them. So now I'm just gonna so if you got dual monitors, that's how you fix them and stuff. With the gaps and stuff. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna I'm gonna get the weather. He already has the weather plug-in. I'm gonna add the weather plug-in and just doing some customizing. So let's go to the weather. Oh, I was just adding the weather app, but I'll let to change the position of the conkeys if you have dual screen, you have to go in File Manager. Well, I already have it open. If you gotta go to User Share in your file system, and then Conkey file, and then open it up as root user, Thunar root, and then I already have it open, so these are the files you have, and then you just open it up with LeafPad or your favorite text editor, and you'll just if you go to where it says gap X and gap Y, gap X is what I change. I have it on 3,850. And then the other file, I have it for gap X 1905. So it can show up on my main monitor right here. So that's where the files are. And the conkeys usually auto start. If you're running Linux and other stuff's respin. This is his respin that he has both these conkeys set up. If you need to fix it for your dual screen monitors. So now, as I got the weather right here, the weather, I'm just gonna go and get a customization for the weather. Let me open a new Google Chrome so you guys can see. So I'm just gonna go to GNOME Look. And then this is pretty cool. It looks like they got a new theme out. That's pretty cool. Cold night. Flat dark theme. I might try getting this. Okay, I'm gonna try again. This theme. So thanks, Star. It's if you go in the description down below, it's already set up by Linux and other stuff. If you it's down in the description. If you see the link to where you get the ISO. So this is a theme. I'm going to download that for the theme. Did it download? Okay, so I'm going to download that. And then I'll put that as a theme later. I'm trying to get, let's see, where was that? Right here. For the weather icon, I'm gonna get this. If you can see it, that's how the weather icons look. I'm gonna download this so I can have it as the weather icon. So I'm gonna download that. And then I'm gonna open the file, and then just gonna extract it here, and then going to we already have the weather, so now we want to place it there. So just gonna copy this folder. That's all you do. Once you install the weather, XFC weather, but that was already installed for on Linux and other stuff's distro. So I'm gonna go to user share XFCE. It's all the way at the bottom here. Right there. And then we want to go to weather. And then icons. We want to open it up in root. And then we're just going to paste that folder in there. And then what we want to do is go to properties and appearance, and then you'll see the cleaner icons right there. You can see the icon changed right there. So the icon looks like that. I think it's a really cool icon set for the weather. So I'm gonna I got that set up, and now I'm gonna go to, I'm gonna probably change the icons. And so I'm going to change the icons. I have to go to and copy, because I had the icons before, but I had to reinstall this OS only because of one thing. Spotify had trouble installing it on Manjaro, but I got some help. Hi Lumar, how's it going? So I'm just gonna get these the name of these icons again that I from this site. And if you guys like a really cool group that you guys can join, this group, they post a lot of cool customization stuff in here. I'm good. Thanks for asking, Lumar. Just on Linux and other stuffs. Respin a Manjaro. I set it up. So far. I got the weather, the new icons for the weather, and then I set up the conkeys because I had to fix it for my dual screen monitor and stuff. So now I'm just gonna change the icons and stuff. So I just gotta go find these icons again. Let me see. Let me see, where was that? Oh, let me go back up. I think here it was. Right here. Okay. Okay, so I found these icons. Whoops. Didn't want that. Okay, so I found those icons and I'm gonna change these. Let me open up LeapPad so I know. So I'm gonna get these icons. Here's the icons that they look like. So I'm just gonna download it. And to use these icons, you need to use the inherits and stuff and use other icons, and I'll show you how to do that. So let me open up for the so we want this, then we want to extract it here. Now I'm gonna copy this and then icon, so let's open up this as root again. Then paste that in, and then we want to get the sorry icons. And let me see, are these it? Let me see, no, they're these. Okay, let's get the sorry icon file. So now what we want to do is we want to download these. And then we're gonna open that. And then we wanna let me just make a new folder for 1 second. Sorry icons. Just gonna put them in there. So now what I want to do is copy all these folders. And where is the just want to copy let's see, where is it? We're just gonna copy them to here. Oh, the reason it was working before Linux and other stuff, it was. I just had to mess with the gap. I'll show you I'll show you Linux and other stuff. How you doing today? Let me show you, let me close some of these windows open. No. Let me open them. I'll show you. I just had to change it in here, right here, if you open it up. right here where the gap is, I have it at 3850. Yeah, the gap right here, I have it set to 3,850. So it goes on my main screen. And then the other one, I have set to this right here. But I know there's different commands, I guess, you can put in the conky to get to work. Like, let me open up this guy. Let me go back to this guy right here. Eric, he makes conkies, and if you look at his if you look at his notes and stuff, it says let me see here, dual screen users, and then he says something about this, but I tried this way and I couldn't figure it out, so I just used the gap and stuff to set the numbers and stuff. Well, for some reason on Arch, I think this is only for Arch though, because I think on Ubuntu it's fine. I'm pretty sure if you got dual screens on Ubuntu it's fine. I think you just gotta mess with it for Arch and stuff. Well, I tried that adding it, and it didn't work right for me, so I just used the gap and stuff to I just used the gap and make the number higher, so and that works for me though, but I'm not sure, because I did put it let me try it. Tell me the numbers. Tell me the numbers for let me see. Tell me the number for this conky right here. Let me see, where's that folder? Share. Did I close out of that? I think I did. Let me open that. Oh, I think that's just for the, that's just for so you remember what it's for. Like on the side and stuff. Okay, wait, hold on. Let me put it back down. I'm going to try that command. This one. Let me see. This one was like, we said 45. Let me see. Save. Let me see. Now let me see. I'm gonna add this here. Copy. Okay. Okay. So let me add. Let me add it to. Oh no, I don't want to do that. The heck? Okay, wait. Okay, now I added it. Let me see. 3. I don't see it. Let me see. Oh no, wait, it's right here on the other screen, but hold on. Let me see. 1. There we go. It does work. It works. That command does work. Okay, what was the other one? What was the, hold on, I gotta go to the other file now. What was this one? Yeah, I put it at 1. Okay. Whoops. Three. Let me just save it. Let me just see if that's... Alright, no. 1. We know... What the... Why did 3 work? No, 1. It's 1. What? That's weird. Okay. For some reason, 3 worked too for this one. That's weird. 3 works for that one. I'm just going to leave it at 1, the same to the other one now. If I put this one as 3, if I put that one as 3, whoops. No. It's on the other screen. No. 3 doesn't work for that one for some reason. Which is weird. I'm just gonna move, hold on, I'm just gonna move this over a little bit. See which way that goes. Crap. Didn't want to do that. Just want to move it over a little bit so it's to the edge. There we go. I want it to the edge like that. And then, no, I want to open it up in there. I want it in lead pad and then I want it to the edge like that. Yeah, no problem. But you don't have to, but just so you know, you might just want to put it, I don't know, you just might want to put it as like an option or something, because not everybody has nobody has everybody doesn't have dual monitors, so if you put it in and somebody's running just one monitor, it's probably not going to work for them. So I think that's why it's like as an option, but I think it'll still work for single monitors too. All right. Crap. Didn't want to do that. Oh, what the? It's only going to paste it like that, though. Wait, hold on. I'll give you the link to the site. Copy. It's not going to be right. I'll give you the link to the site. What the heck? Okay, hold on. I just messed something up. What the heck? No. What the heck was that change? Okay, there we go. I don't know what happened there. Okay, that's how I had it. Alright, thanks Lumar for joining. I'm gonna be changing these icons. Actually that's the regular icons. So I think I got everything. Let me see what I got in here. Yeah, I got those in, so I'm gonna change those. Icons. I got those, so let me get the oh yeah. Linux and other stuff. I figured out how to get Spotify for Manjaro. It's kind of a pain. It's kind of the pain in the butt to get. But I figured out how to get Spotify on. I'll probably do a. Okay, lamer. Okay, lamer. Oh man. Well, I'll see you. Yeah. Here, so the icons. That's all. Let me open up. Appearance. I'm just gonna open up. Settings, appearance. I'm just gonna add that to the panel. And then I'm gonna add the icy dark folders. And then I had to get one more thing. Had to get one more thing. Avian. If I can spell it right. No, I don't think I spelled it right, so let me paste it in. I have to get these ones too. And then what we want to do is go to File Manager, which is empty right now, but it won't be in a second. So we're just gonna go to User, Share, and then we want to go to the icons of the icy dark folders. You can see the folders that I have. They're called icy dark. I got them in the beginning of this video. So let's go to, I think I totally passed it. Icy dark. So let me go to the, right here, the icons folder. Let's open up. And then we want to go to the icy dark icons. If I can find it. Right here. So we want to go to there, and then we want to go to the index theme, and then we want to open up with your favorite editor. Mine is LeafPad. So then what we're gonna do is We're going to just gonna copy this there, and then where it says Harrods, we're gonna change this to that one, or whatever Sardi icons you want to use. It was between this one and the Sardi Evo Pop ones. I kind of like the Evo Pop ones too. I don't know, I'll show you guys and you can tell me which ones you guys like better. So that's changed. So now everything on the icons that I found that I like that are good right now. So I can close this out. I'm just going to save this for a minute. I'm going to save it to my documents folder. Icons I like. And then I'm just gonna save it. And then I'm just gonna go back to hi Slack, how's it going? And then I'm just gonna go back to one of these Sardi icons, and then I'm gonna go back and you'll see that it has it all changed now. So you can see everything in the menu. And then when I open up the file manager, that's right now, let me just do that. So everything's pretty much customized, or to change the icons that I like. Oh, okay, I see what you're saying, yeah. Yeah, I seen who was streaming. I seen TOS today was live. And then who else was live? Slack. Which icons do you guys like better? This one or these ones? Oh, Terry Tech was live too. Again, I didn't know. I think YouTube isn't sending out notifications because I didn't get a bell notification for him. Well, I didn't get a YouTube bell for TOS today either. So I'm not sure what's going on with YouTube, but I need to figure out how to let myself know they're on, because I'm not getting bells for them. But which one do you guys like? These icons or this one? because I could go with... Yeah, because I could go with both sets. They both look pretty cool. I'm just not sure which one I want to go with. I might go with the colorful ones because yeah, I kind of like these ones too. I'm gonna stick with these ones. I know. I'm gonna stick with these ones. Okay, cool. That's great. Other stuff. Linux and other stuff. So you can put that command in once you update your OS. Oh yeah, I like the so this is customized the way I like it. This is Linux and other stuff's OS respin on Manjaro. Oh yeah, another thing is Linux and other stuff, I got Spotify to work. I'll show you the commands that you have to do. It's kind of a hassle. I don't know why you should have to do that, but let me I'll show you. Let me go to Manjaro. I'll give you the command so you can, if you can put Spotify in there already, because it's kind of a hassle to get, because you gotta do this. I'll show you what you have to do. Let me see, where was it? Oh, okay. It was this right here. Yeah, but you could probably add it so people don't have to do it. So what you have to do with Spotify is, let me see. Let me open. Oh yeah, I forgot. You can do this. Okay, so what you can do. I don't want to do this again, but I'm just going to, where's the text editor? Just gonna paste it in here. So what you want to do is add this key right here first. You want to add this key. Oh yeah, first you want to install Yowert. Because Yowert's not installed for some reason. I don't know. I don't know if you took Yowert out or Manjaro didn't have Yowert installed for some reason. I thought Yowert was automatically installed, but anyway, you add this key to install. Let me open up the terminal again. That was right. What did I do that for? You add that key, and then you hit enter. I already did that. So then after that's done, you have to, you add this command next. Like that. And then it'll install that one. And then you're gonna want to install this key. Next, you want to install that key. Yeah, I might make a Manjaro. I might need a little bit of help though from Linux and other stuff. Yeah, I like your how did you get the grub screen on when you first installed the ISO to USB? I like the grub screen you did for it. And then you add this key like that, and then enter, and then what you do is you add this one. And I'll just go hit it again for I'm not gonna install it. Then you hit that, and then you just want to hit then you want to hit edit, and then whatever leaf pad, I like using leaf pad, and then you just hit, what the heck? Oh, here it is. I don't know what happened, why it closed on me. Okay, so this is the package. This is the package. Let me get this out of the way. This is what'll happen. You want to change where it says depends right here, dependencies. For dependencies, you want to change this one to where was it? You want to change it to this right here. So it's like that. You want to change it, and then you want to save it. I'm not going to save it. Not that one. Where's continue building? No, we already have it. So that's what you want to do for that one. So I'll list these commands for to get Spotify. Copy. I don't know if it's gonna paste right. I'll just put them in a paste and I'll just put it in a paste bin. Paste bin. I think that's. Copy. So there's the instructions on how to install the Spotify and stuff. And I'm going to I tweaked a conky Spotify for it was let me see. Okay, I will. Yeah, talk to you later. Talk to you later, other stuff. See ya. Okay, so. who is who is Lou LAOS? So this is let me just go to his page to show you oh, because I never know how to spell his name, Eric Dubas. I never know how to pronounce his name. Right here. So this is the conky. I tweet the conky. I'll show you. Which one? This one right here for the Spotify conky. I tweaked it. So it just shows the cover and stuff. But so I'll show you what it does. Let me go to my I gotta go to my drives now. I think it's this one. Wait a minute, why did those... Oh yeah, because I didn't change those, right? Okay. So... I'm gonna go into here. I think I'm in the right directory, Kungi. No, maybe that wasn't the right drive I picked. Maybe it was this one. Kungi. Where's Kungi at? Oh no, okay, here we go. Config. And then Kungi here. Okay. So copy. And then this is what I did. Let me go back to my config. Then just gonna paste this Kungi here. And then let me see, we just want a terminal. And we just want Kungi .c Kungi.conf. Yeah, I know Spotify's not running. Okay, it's gonna run in a second. So that's running. Now I just gotta see where. Right there. So now let's I'm gonna put that command in. I need that need that command again, so let me try this command again so you guys can see it. For this copy, and then we're just gonna open this up. It wasn't that big, so then let's see if 3 works for this one. Okay, so apparently 3 works for this one too. I guess it just depends what Kungi you're using. So let me go. I want to move this up a bit, so let me see which way. Okay, that's going up, so let me go to 6. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that now, but let me move that up some more. So that's what it looks like, the Spotify Conky, and then so that's what it looks like. And then when you hit Spotify, it's gonna show up with the cover. So whatever cover, whatever song you're playing, so let's say I like that song. It's gonna show that cover, so I have that set up. And so that's pretty much all I customize. Everything's already set up on here. So that's everything that I customize, really. We got the icons in here, the conkeys fixed. The weather icons that look clean that I like in there. We got those the new icons for the weather in there. And then this wallpaper I changed to blue because I like blue. It was like a purplish color before, so I just changed the hue and saturation in GAMP and stuff in there for the wallpaper. And then did some stuff with the sharpening and stuff, so yeah, pretty much that is it. So I'm probably going to end the video right now. Hopefully you guys like this video. Let me know what you guys want to see, what you guys would like next, or what you guys want to see for me to do and stuff. Leave a comment below the video and stuff. Once it's done, once a video is uploaded to my channel, leave a comment if you guys want to, and let me know what you guys want to see more of. And I'll show you guys some more stuff. Stay tuned for more live streams. And thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys later. Thanks everybody. and have a good night.